In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord stuck in full screen. If Discord has taken over your entire screen and the usual window controls are missing, don't worry. There are a few quick ways to bring it back to normal without reinstalling anything or losing your settings. First, try Discord's own full screen toggle. With Discord selected and active on your screen, press Ctrl, Shift and F together. That's the built-in shortcut to switch full screen mode on and off. And in most cases, it instantly restores the window border and taskbar. Make sure Discord is the app in focus before you press the keys. If needed, click anywhere inside the Discord window once, then use the shortcut. Hold Ctrl and Shift, tap F once, and give it a second to respond. If nothing happens, release the keys and try again. If that doesn't do it, try the window shortcut for exiting full screen. Press F11. Many apps, especially on Windows, use F11 to toggle full screen, and some systems apply this behavior to Discord as well. On certain laptops, you might need to press the FN key along with F11, depending on how your function keys are set up. Again, make sure the Discord window is active when you press it. If you see your taskbar and title bar return, you're good to go. If Discord remains stuck, the next step is to restart the desktop app completely from Task Manager. This ensures every background process is closed so the window state resets. Press Ctrl, Shift and ESC to open Task Manager. Look for Discord in the processes list. There may be multiple entries. Select each Discord process and click End Task. Don't worry, this won't uninstall anything or affect your servers or messages. It simply shuts the app down fully. Once all Discord entries are closed, reopen Discord from your Start menu or shortcut. The app should launch in a normal window, no full screen lock in place. To recap, start with Ctrl plus Shift plus F, then try F11, and if needed, close Discord entirely through Task Manager and relaunch it. These steps cover the most common scenarios on Windows and usually resolve the issue in seconds. Keep these shortcuts handy so the next time Discord goes full screen unexpectedly, you can quickly switch it back and get on with your chat calls or streams without interruption.